This will be a quick video to show us how we're going to program the AR200 laser, and we're going to do it with the touch buttons. And what we're looking to program, of course, is we're going to program it to go at 1 kilohertz, and we're going to program it to go to 0 to 10 volts out. So as you can see on the left part, I do have the Tera Term hooked up, and we're going to use this digital output just to verify that the settings are taking. So the first thing I would do is I would hold the function button down for about a second and then release it. And what that does is it puts it back into factory default settings. And so now at factory default settings, just to verify, if I'm going to type in V1234, which will show us the version we're at. And here you can see on the bottom, here's our standard output showing that we're at sample interval set to 2000. That's S2000, and we have an analog output of current. So we want a sample interval of 10 and the analog output of voltage. So let's go ahead and see how we do that. So I would recommend, if you want to follow along, if we look at the manual on page 31, and here it says how to do it. So on the function button code of 3, we want a rate code of 1, which is S10, which is 1 kilohertz. So how do we do that? Very simple. You're going to hold the function button until it flashes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to release it. Now we know we want a rate code of 1, so we hold it till we get 1 flash. Then we release it. Now it's going to signal back to us. There's the 3 and the 1. So we have changed the rate code to 10, S10. So let's go ahead and also look at voltage. So to do to change it to from current to voltage, it is a function button code of 4 and the rate code of 2. So we'll hold it down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, release. And then for voltage, we hold it for 2 flashes. 1, 2. And now it's going to signal back to us. There's the 4 and then the 2. So now we've changed the speed, we've changed the voltage, and to burn it into the EEPROM, we hold it, and this is also in the manual, you hold it for 9 flashes. And let's just see what that's set to. So here you can see that we have changed that to, there's a sample interval of S10. We've changed it to voltage, and we've also got it set, make sure you count the 9 flashes, and you'll have burned it into the EEPROM. So that's a real quick way of making that measurement, or making that change to the AR200-50 by using the manual buttons.